If you're a business owner wanting to create world-class adverts for your products, but you don't have an expensive ad budget, you don't have the time to create content or hire a team to be able to do it for you, this video is going to blow your mind. I just found an AI tool that allows you to identify your competitors' best performing videos and remake them in just a few minutes without you having to hire someone to create the content or some expensive video editor to make the videos into perfect videos that will get you the sales that you want. But you can simply copy adverts that are out there on the internet that are already working for your competitors, and you'll be able to make them for yourself and your business in just minutes. For example, check out this video that I saw on TikTok that I liked and wanted to use as an example of a product that I want to sell. And then check out this video that I made using AI in just a few minutes, and it didn't cost me anything at all except to use the tool that I'm about to show you. Now, the website or the tool that we're going to be using is called Topview. And as you can see, it helps you to turn your products into viral videos. So just click the link that you see in the description of this video. It'll take you to the website. You can register a free account and start using it today. But once you're inside, the dashboard looks something like this. But more specifically, we're going to be focusing on this one, which is called the video agent. And the way that the video agent works is that you simply give it some prompts and some instructions. You tell it exactly what to do. You upload a picture of your product, and then you find a reference video that you want to copy or emulate. So I'm just going to come here and click where it says add image. I'll click on that, and then I'll click on the plus. And then I'll identify an image that I want to use. And as you can see here, you can upload more than one image to give it a better reference. And also, if you want, you can actually put links, for example, from Amazon, Shopify, TikTok, and many other platforms. If you want, you can also add a product description. But for now, I'm just going to leave it as it is. And I'm going to click where it says apply. And then the next step is that I simply need to add a reference video. You can click here and then add the reference video from your computer. Or you can just simply scroll down here and you see all these different videos that you can use as a reference. For example, I saw this video and I liked it. And so I'm just going to click on recreate. And then that's the video that I'm going to be using as my reference. Next, I just need to click on the arrow pointing up like this. And then it's going to start generating my video for me. First, it's going to start off just by analyzing your video. And as you can see right here, it had actually created the prompt for you so that it knows what exactly it's supposed to be creating. Now, whilst it's generating this video, let me also mention that this Topview agent is powered by OpenAI's Sora 2, which if you've done your research, you'll know that it's one of the best realistic video creators that's actually out there on the market. And then now, as you can see here, it's asking me a couple of questions. For example, what is your product name? It's already picked my product name there. Who are your product users? It's actually identified who they are. What exactly does your product do? It's identified that it promotes a radiant glow. Which country is your target audience? United States. If I want, I can change that. What language do I want it to be in? I want it to be in English. It's identified that. And then the format of the video. In this case, I want it to be on TikTok and Instagram. So it's going to be 9:16. And then how long do I want it to be? I want it to be about 15 seconds, which is fine. So I'm just going to click here and say confirm. Then it's just going to take a few more seconds to a few minutes to think over everything that it's actually doing. And then it's going to start planning everything about the video. And then as you can see here, it actually even shows me the image that I uploaded. And then it's going to be writing like an outline or a storyboard of what your video is going to be about. Then as you can see here, it's asking me to confirm if you should proceed. I'm just going to click on that and tell it to proceed. Okay, finally, after a few minutes, it's actually done the video and I'm excited. This is the video. Let's play it and see what it's done.
Feeling drained and totally out of it? You need a complete reset. This daily boost is my secret weapon for flipping the script. Just watch this. Boom. It's an energy unlocked. The sun's out and the vibes are way up. Don't just survive your day. Step up your health game. Let's go.
Oh my gosh. Did you see that? Okay, now let's compare it to the previous video that we copied, and then we're going to play this one again.
Feeling drained? You need a tone reset. This daily boost is my secret to flipping script. Watch. Energy unlocked. Sun's out, vibes out, and survive. Step up your health. Let's go.
Okay, now let's play our video.
Feeling drained and totally out of it? You need a complete reset. This daily boost is my secret weapon for flipping the script. Just watch this. Boom! Instant energy unlocked. The sun's out.
I can't believe this. Just right. I honestly can't believe this, that we're able to do this like in just a few minutes just by using AI. And like, I think if I was to send this video to like my parents or to some older people, they would not be able to tell that this is actually AI. So like, imagine what we can do with this, like how many products we can promote and the amount of content that we can actually create and put out there that's going to get us a lot of sales. So now, obviously, as you can see here, it's saying that I should upgrade to remove the watermark. So if you want to be using this software long term, I recommend that you actually upgrade and get one of their paid plans. And then you'll be able to do anything. You'll be able to promote any type of product that you actually want with this. So now that's how simple it is to use the Topview AI agent. Once again, feel free to use the link that's in the description of this video and actually try it out for yourself today and start creating content that will help you to be able to market your products. Now, let me tell you, this is going to be an absolute game changer, and you need to be one of the first few people to use this before everyone is using it, and you miss your opportunity to grow your business by using these AI avatars, by using these AI agents.